Hello dear student, welcome to Department of Chemistry. In today's lecture, we study the Waddies rule and how to calculate the Waddies rule. Then what are the different types of boron, that is clozo, nido, arachno and hypo. So let us begin with it. Hello dear student, in today's lecture we study the Waddies rule for borans and carborans. In the previous lecture we studied how to calculate the Stokes number for different type of boron hydrides. Now we study the Waddies rule for borans and carborans. For calculating the Waddies rule we are using a formula F is equal to 3b plus 4c plus h plus x minus 2n. Here B is the number of boron atom, C is the number of carbon atom, H is the number of hydrogen atom, X is nothing but the negative charge which is present on the ion, and N is the number of vertices. Number of vertices means there is combination of number of boron atom and carbon atom. After calculating the Waddies rule, when we are considering a rule 2n plus 2, such a boron is called as clozoboron. When we are using 2n plus 4, it is nidoboron. If it is 2n plus 6, it is arachnoboron. When it is 2n plus 8, it is hypoboron. So student, in the final examination, the question asked on this topic is finding out the Waddies rule calculation and whether the particular boron or carboron is clozo, nido, arachno or hypo. This question is also asked in NET/SET examination also. So we are considering the example for calculating the Waddies rule is B6 S6 2 minus, again we are using a formula F is equal to 3b plus 4c plus h plus x minus 2n. Put the value of each and every entity. 3 into number of boron atom is 6 plus 4 into number of carbon atom is 0 plus number of hydrogen atom is 6 plus charge on the complex is 2 minus 2 into number B and C is 6, therefore 6. After calculating this entity, we are having an answer 26 minus 12 is equal to 14. Okay, when we are applying a rule 2n plus 2, 2n, here we are getting the 2n, 6 into 2, how many it is? 12. Okay, to getting the 14 we have to add 2 electron, and therefore we are considering the 2n plus 2 rule, and we are getting the clozoboron. Okay, so this is the first example of the Waddies rule. Now we consider the second example. Let us consider B4S6C2. Again we are using the Waddies rule 3b plus 4c plus h plus x minus 2n. 3 into 4, boron atom is 4, 4 into number of carbon is 2 plus number of hydrogen atom is 6 plus charge is 0 minus 2 into n number of boron and carbon is 6. Okay, again after calculating this entity, 12 plus 8 plus 6 then minus 12, plus and minus get cancelled and we are getting the answer 14. So here 2n is 12, and to getting the 14 we have to add plus 2. Okay, now 2 into 6 plus 2 is equal to 14. We are adding 2, therefore it is clozoboron. Okay, so student, this is second problem B4S6C2. It is clozo. Okay, Now we see the third example. Here we are considering betaine C2H12. Again you have to write the formula 3b plus 4c plus H plus X minus 2n. Here number of boron atom is 10 plus number of carbon atom is 2 plus number of hydrogen atom is 12 plus charge is 0 minus 2. 10 plus 2 into 12. After calculating this, we are having 50 minus 24, we are getting 26. Okay, 12 into 2 means 24. We have to getting 26, we have to add 2. Therefore, we are using 2n plus 2 rule. Again, we are getting the answer 2 into 12 plus 2, it is 26. Therefore, it is clozoborane. Okay, so this is example number 3. Now we consider the example number 4. Here is the example C2B4H8. Again we are using the same formula. After putting the value 3 into 4 plus 4 into 2 plus H is the hydrogen atom, it's 8 plus charge is 0 minus 2 into N is nothing but a combination of B and C. 4 plus 2 6. Okay, after solving this we are getting 12 plus 8 plus 8 minus 12. This entity get cancelled. 8 plus 8 is 16. So here 12 is there. For getting the 16 we have to add 4 atoms. Therefore we are using 2n plus 4 rule here. 2 into 6 plus 4. After adding the 4 we are having 16. Therefore it is called as nidoborane. Okay, which rule you should consider, that is on the basis of number of 2n. Okay, now we consider the another example. We consider CB6H12. Again same formula. Put the value 3 into 6 plus 4 into 1 plus 12 plus 0 minus 2 into 7. 6 plus 1. After solving this we are having the answer 20. Okay, so here 7 into 2 is 40. 2n is 14 and in 14 we have to add 6. Then we are getting the answer 20. Therefore we are using 2n plus 6. Then 2 into 7 plus 6 is equal to 20. Definitely after addition of 6 we are having this borane is arachnoborane. So we consider the next example. Here we are considering the example C2B7H14. Again we are using the same formula. F is equal to 3b plus 4c plus H plus X minus 2n. 3 into number of boron atom is 7 plus 4 into number of carbon 2 plus hydrogen is 14. There is no charge, therefore 0 minus 2 into 7 plus 2 9. Okay, after solving this we are having a answer 26. Okay, 9 into 2 18. Okay, 2n plus then 18 plus 8 we are getting 26. Therefore 2 into 9 plus 8. After addition of 8 this is called as hypoborane. So dear student, we are considering the each and every type of borane. How do they calculate? Now there is some example to solve for the calculation. So here is different type of example. You have to calculate this example on the basis of Wadde's rule. Here is the hint is given to solve this. It is arachnoborane, it is hypo, it is nido, then clozo, and close hole. The one more important trick is here used is 12 minus 6, we are getting 6, therefore it is RH. No, 11 minus 3, it is, after considering C2, it is hypoborean, and so on. Okay, so this is the basic information of the Wadde's rule. If do you have any problem regarding to this, you can ask into the discussion forum or by commenting into the YouTube channel. Thank you.